57 million people in Indonesia do not have decent toilet facility in their homes or near their homes. People without decent toilets usually make their own by the rivers or make their own toilet holes that goes nowhere. According to the SWA high-level meeting in Washington, 11th of April 2014, from the 57 million people that do not have proper place to dump their stools, 40 million of them comes from people in villages. And that's only in Indonesia. There are almost about 1 billion people who dumps their stools not in a proper place, and around 2.5 billion people do not have decent toilet access. Dumping waste is a natural thing. It will go away eventually, right? It's not like they throw plastics that degrade for a long time. Yes, it will go away eventually, swept by the rain, or will devour into the sea. But did you know that a stool contains lots and lots of bad bacteria that can cause many diseases? People in villages who live near rivers use rivers for many things, like taking a bath, cooking, maybe drinking, and many more. Those bacteria can cause diarrhea, polio, hepatitis, rotavirus, cholera, and dozens of other diseases. Not to mention that there are living creatures in rivers that could be harmed by these bacteria. Not only people who live near the river that will catch the diseases, but imagine if a flood happens. From those rivers and all those waters spread into wider area and the cities. Cities like Jakarta that very often get flooded can catch any type of diseases. This is all because of the contamination of the rivers, especially from the untreated stools. It's not only when the flood happened, but also after the flood happened, because some bacteria can live longer depending on the environment it lives in. From this background, we created an application to help people access decent toilet facilities. So we created an application that allows the user to inform other people about a place that do not have good toilet facility, using forums so that other people can donate in the form of money, donation, or services. WhatCare is an application that provides media for people who wants to help other people in need, especially those who do not have decent toilet access. This application allows people to tell or share information about the existence of a non-proper toilet facility or access in a place, including their exact location. What we need to do first is signing in into our account. We can sign in or we can register in the first page of the application. After signing in, there will be a list of information where many users have posted. When we click one of the forum, the description of the topic will show up and we can see the donation target, current donations collected, and number of volunteers. We can click the See Location button to locate where the place of the donation will go using GPS. In the next step of the topic, we can see the discussion tab where people can relate to the topic and give opinions about it. Then there is the timeline tab where the plan of the donation project can be seen whether it's done or in progress. The timeline is like a milestone of the donation project. Next, there's the contact tab where people can contact the writer of the post through phone number or email to get confirmation about the project and discuss it. In the bottom of the screen, there are 4 buttons. Rupiah icon button is for donating money. The person button is volunteering to do the service. Bubble speech button is for adding comments, and the last one is the sharing button in social network. Then there is the socialization tab after the topic tab, where people can see how to sanitize their surroundings. The purpose is to first teach users how to sanitize their surroundings properly. After they know how to do it, they can teach others about it. And next, there's the profile tab. There's edit profile to edit the user's name, contact, and etc. Achievement to see how many times the user volunteer or donate to a post. Your report is to see what have the user posted before. And last one is the recent act, to see the latest activities the user did recently. On the bottom of the screen there are 3 buttons. The pencil button is for creating a new post. The bell button is for notification, to notify if there's an incoming message or an incoming activity. And last, the message button is for sending message to other users.